Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So in this video, I will show you how to turn on mobile hotspot on Windows 11. So first of all, we need to open the settings. We go to the Windows logo and right click and click settings. On the settings menu, you can go to the network and internet. On the network and internet, you can see here is mobile hotspot. You can easy to turn on this mobile hotspot, but here you need to click on the mobile hotspot and you need to see the name of your mobile hotspot and the password. So this is the password, so another device can connect to your mobile hotspot. You can edit this password by click edit, and you can edit change this mobile hotspot password. And below here it's the barcode, so another device can easily connect to this mobile hotspot by scan the QR code.